Hello everybody, we are back again, and this time we hit the road to Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. Now if you have been to, say, Clifton Hill in Niagara Falls, Canada, you know it's like a mecca of fun museums and kind of quirky, cool spots and go-karts and things like that. To me, Pigeon Forge is the hyper extreme version of that. We had a chance today, this is like our first full day here, and we had a chance to check it out. It's bananas. It's mile after mile of super cool things to do, and we are exhausted after our first day. So we are taking a break back at the hotel, and our hotel is so lovely that I thought I would share it with you. So we're staying at the Ramsey Hotel. It's very, very nice. It's super clean. They use a special cleaning system. Masks are required in all common areas. The rooms are nice, the beds are great, and I can't wait to show you around. But before I do, I'd like to thank the Ramsey Hotel for hosting us, and for My Pigeon Forge for giving us a VIP pass to all the attractions. Once that video is up, I'll link it down below. Now let's go for real. Okay, these are the front doors. We are staying just right up. We're on the 4th floor, so 1, 2, 3, 4. We're like right around there somewhere. It's very pretty. And what I've noticed in Pigeon Forge, and I can only speak for me, is the fact that most of the hotels are very budget friendly, and this one seems to be more upscale than, say, your traditional budget friendly hotel. So if I had to put a number on it, I'd say 3.5 stars. So we're walking through the entrance, and the first thing you notice, which made me very happy, is they use a special Clorox Total 360 cleaning system. So it's basically, it looks like a steamer, and they can spray everything down in the rooms, in the common areas, and this is the pretty lobby. So there's a pretty seating area. There's a fireplace here. It's not lit today because it's about 95, but I'm sure they do light it on chilly nights because October, I think October and November are the peak seasons because of the foliage. So again, stair goes up to the 2nd floor, and then 24/7 complimentary coffee, tea, water. And back here we're going to check to see if anybody is in the pool area, and I'll show you around. Okay, some laundry facilities. I don't see a price. That does say quarters. That might be a problem, because we're at a change shortage. It looks like, okay, looks like $1.50 for the dryer, so maybe it's the same for the washers. It's nice, very convenient. We are on the 4th floor, so there's kind of a common area on every floor. And we are down here in this. Okay, I didn't get any video clips of our rooms, but Molly and I had connecting rooms. So I had the king room here with these super cute swans, and then she had the 2 queen room adjoining, which was nice. We just left the doors open and walked in and out. It was super convenient for us, gave both of us some privacy, and we had Keurig coffee makers in each of the rooms. We had large flat screen TVs with microwave, a giant mini fridge that actually kept things super cold, and our bathroom was beautiful too. So anyway, back to the video. This is the view from out of our window. So somebody has my bike down there. Not my bike, but
exact same bike.
yes. So that's the lobby area where I started. And then there's not a lot across from us, but there there are lights. Like there's a little pole, I don't know if you can see it right here, but at nighttime they're really pretty. They're all lit up. We have like a little speedway across the freeway. Yeah, but this whole strip along here is just packed with fun things to do. Okay, that'll do it for my review of the Ramsey Hotel in Pigeon Forge, Tennessee. I can't reiterate enough how lovely of a stay we had. Everything was super clean. I felt super comfortable because of the sanitation process. And you know what? It's really convenient to a lot of attractions. Dollywood's only a couple of miles away. The other direction is the island at Pigeon Forge with the giant Smoky Mountain wheel. I mean, everything was so handy, so close that all we had to do was zip in and out of the hotel anytime we wanted. And before I forget, there is free parking. There's no resort fee. And prices are very, very affordable right now. So go ahead and hop on their website if you want to check them out. I can't thank them enough for letting us stay for 4 nights while we were in town. And that'll do it. Thanks, guys. See you soon.